Are you in search of the perfect property that checks all of your boxes? Then look no further than 29 Victorway Drive, where affordability meets accessibility. Located in the neighborhood of Holly, this captivating 4-bedroom, 2-bath home caters to all of your desires. With close proximity to the community center and just a stroll away from schools, parks, and shops, this home promises convenience and comfort at every turn. For more information on this listing or any of our others, contact us on any of our social media platforms or at joneshomes.ca.